lead new educational concepts, create a new educational environment. With over 30 years' pursuit of excellence and high-quality development, Yalong is a demand-oriented, technology-driven, service-embedded, and intelligent manufacturing company employing internet thinking, integrating industrial chains and adapting internationalization strategies, and continuously creates the highest standards in the industry, cultivate future engineers, serve future scientists. Yalong, fostering skills. Founded in 1983, Yalong is manufacturing, service-embedded, innovative, and software-driven enterprise, shouldering the mission of striving to bring technology and skills to more people around the world. Yalong is a supplier providing intelligent education equipment for colleges and universities, public training centers, and corporate training centers, a service provider of educational products such as education consulting and online and offline training, and a service provider providing system solutions, intelligent equipment, and industrial software for digital upgrades and intelligent transformation of enterprises. In the new era, led by artificial intelligence, to comprehensively improve the talent training quality, Yalong undertakes the key special project of intelligent robots under the National Key Research and Development Plan. In addition, Yalong is an intelligent manufacturing system solution provider of the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, a practice space for young teachers in higher and secondary vocational schools recognized by the Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Finance, a remote vocational education resource development base at the Ministry of Education, a dual qualified teacher training base of vocational colleges of the Ministry of Education, a school enterprise cooperative enterprise signed by the Ministry of Education, and an equipment supplier for 12 events at the National Vocational Students Skills Competition. Yalong, empowering you. Yalong serves 10,000 colleges, universities, and enterprises around the world. More than 20 million students improve their technical skills through Yalong products and services each year. With unique intelligent educational equipment, Yalong sets benchmarks for professional technical fields, such as intelligent manufacturing, digital manufacturing, industrial robots, intelligent research and development, and digital twins, artificial intelligence, and industrial Internet of Things. Yalong serves the training of high-quality technical and skillful talents, participates in the co-construction of Engineering Institute, Institute of Future Technology, International Institute, Yalong Silk Road College, and Lupin Workshop, provides various international skills competition platforms, and introduces Chinese standards for enterprise technology and the curriculum and the teaching materials of colleges and universities to serve the talent training for production capacity cooperation of countries along the Belt and the Road. The China Center for International People-to-People Exchange of the Ministry of Education and Yalong jointly established a China base for international people-to-people exchange and talent training in the field of intelligent manufacturing for domestic and foreign colleges and universities, starting a new mode of talent cultivation, technological innovation, plus people-to-people exchange. Yalong undertakes the key special project of intelligent robots under the National Key Research and Development Plan, an educational robot system for industrial robot vocational training in China, develops overall solutions to the research and development, application and training of industrial robots, and provides services for the construction of industrial robot application and demonstration bases in national colleges and universities. Taking top 10 multiplying projects as the starting point, Yalong makes a comprehensive breakthrough in core technology research and development, and domestic and foreign marketing services, 1+X project, competition projects, academic evaluation project, base project, YXY project, and project of the Ministry of Science and Technology, new professional projects, project of Hao Qixing online platform, training projects, and projects of industry enterprises. Yalong featuring intelligence. Yalong builds a team of academicians and scientists, makes full use of innovative careers such as academician workstations, postdoctoral workstations, provincial research institutes, and skill master studios to carry out basic technology research, application technology research, and educational technology research, such as 3D design software, integrated technology software, artificial intelligence, industrial robots, mobile robots, numerical control technology, virtual inspection technology, digital twins, industrial internet of things, 5G applications, intelligent buildings, rail transit, and new energy, and has developed more than 700 overall solutions to talent training in the fields of intellectual property and intelligent manufacturing. Yalong is a national high-tech enterprise undertaking national key research and development plans, projects under the National 863 Plan, National Innovation Fund projects, and provincial and ministerial scientific research and key projects. It has national-level new products and products supported by the National Torch Program, and had won the first prize of scientific and technological progress of Zhejiang Province and the second prize for scientific and technological achievements of the Ministry of Human Resources and Social Security. In addition, Yalong is a partner and equipment provider of ASEAN Skills Competition, National Vocational Students Skills Competition, National Technical College Skills Competition, China Skills Competition, World Skills Competition Preliminaries, National Mechanical and Electrical Teacher Teaching Ability Competition, and BRICS Skills Development and Technology Innovation Competition. Yalong being trustworthy. Yalong remains true to the original aspiration and keeps its mission firmly in mind. Our employees are loyal, clean, responsible, self-disciplined, grateful, and helpful. We implement the development strategy of making China talent strong and prospering with talent by gathering our strength and shouldering our responsibilities. With technology and skills, Yalong ignites the high-quality development engine of enterprises, improves the core competitiveness of enterprises, deepens the integration of production and education and the school-enterprise cooperation, promotes the organic connection of educational, talent, industrial, and innovation trends, and provides services for the training of high-quality, high-end, for digital upgrades and intelligent transformation of enterprises, for the training of talent for capacity cooperation with countries along the Belt and the Road, and for building a community of shared future for mankind.